Babur came from the Afghanistan and defeated Ibrahim Lodi in Panipat War first in 1526, and he became the Sultan of the Delhi. After that, one of his commander, Mir Baki, went through the at present Uttar Pradesh and went to the Ayodhya. When he reached the Ayodhya, then he destructed the Ram Lala temple and built Babri Mosque in 1529. Ram Lala temple was destructed by the Mir Baki in 1528 and Babri Mosque was built in 1529. And after that, a number of the sadhus, sannyasis, sages and a number of the kings, they have tried their best to take over the control over the Ram Lala temple, but it was all in vain. And after that, the namaz was offering in the Ram Lala temple in the dome of the Babri Mosque. But when the English government, British government came to the India, then a oppose had been started to take the control on the Babri Mosque to build the Ram Lala temple. This was the reason at that time. Then British government shut down it, closed it for both community, Hindus and Muslim. But the twist has come when in 1947, when on the basis of the religion, two nations were built. First one is the India, Bharat, Hindustan for the Hindus, and second one is the Pakistan for Muslim. When on the basis of the religion, the two country has been made, then what's wrong it? We have to make the Ram temple to destruct the Babri Mosque in Ayodhya. It was totally correct, logical reason. But it was not allowed by the present government of that time of the India. So, it was going on in the proceeding in the court. But there was a sadhu, there was a sage, Abhay Ram Das, that is called Abhay Ram Das also. He belongs to the Nirmohi Akhada. On 22nd and 23rd December 1949, he placed the original idol of the Ram Lala in the dome of the Babri Mosque. And after that, next morning, the public came, people came, the Hindus came and see this idol. So it was telling at that time that it is the revolution of the Ram Lala to build the Ram temple in Ayodhya after the destruction of the Babri Mosque. But at that time, the present government of the India, that is not allowed. Court is proceeding, and once again, this Babri Mosque was closed for Hindus and Muslim for both communities. But when 1981, when Vishwa Hindu Parishad and RSS and a number of the Hindu organizations started to take the control over the Babri Mosque to build the Ram Lala temple, then this is the agitation, this is the Andolan has been started by the Hindus organizations. So after the murder, after the killing of the Indira Gandhi, when Rajiv Gandhi became the PM of the India in 1984, then to see the feelings of the Hindus, because at that time 80 to 85% population were the Hindus, and then after the Ram Lala temple agitation, it is going on through the Hindus. So Rajiv Gandhi decided to open the door of the Babri Mosque for the Hindus in 1986. But when he opened the door, then after it was the good for the Hindus. But this agitation had been started too much high. At that time, Bharatiya Janata Party was a newly formed party at that time. So there was a senior leader, L.K. Advani. He started Ram Rath Yatra from Somnath temple to the Ayodhya. Because Somnath temple, how Hindus made the Somnath temple and how consecration program has been done, it is also mentioned in my previous videos. So L.K. Advani, the BJP leader, decided to start a Ram Rath Yatra from the Somnath to the Ayodhya in September, October 1990. But when his Ram Rath Yatra reached to the Bihar, then at that time the Chief Minister of the Bihar, Lalu Prasad Yadav, interrupted this Ram Rath Yatra and made L.K. Advani arrested in the Bihar. But people of the India, Ram Bhakt and Hindus were not in the control of the Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav. They gathered outside of the Babri Mosque to destruct it. And after that, in 30 October 30 October 1990, a number of the people, Ram Bhakt, came to the Ayodhya and they have climbed up to the dome of the Babri Mosque. But at that time, the then Chief Minister of the Uttar Pradesh, Mulayam Singh Yadav, Samajwadi Party chief, they have ordered to open the fire on the Ram Bhakt, in which 5 to 7 Ram Bhakt were killed. But it was not enough. On 2nd November 1990, once again, the police gathered, the police surrounded the Ram Bhakt, and at least an hour they firing on it. At least 50 Ram Bhakt were killed and many hundred of the injured. But after that, the Mulayam Singh Sarkar was collapsed and once again Vidhan Sabha election was held. In that firing, the Kothari brothers from Kolkata, Ram and Sarad, also killed because they were the first who reached on the dome of the Babri Mosque. But when the election was held in Vidhan Sabha in the Uttar Pradesh, then after Kalyan Singh came. Then Kalyan Singh on the 6th December 1992, the Babri Mosque was demolished by the Ram Bhakt and they have placed an idol of the king of the Ayodhya in the tent, and after it is going on. In the 2019, the court given the order in the favor of the Hindus, so that's why Ram temple has been started to build. On the incoming days, on 22nd January 2024 at 12:20, it was the consecration program will be done by the PM Modi. So it was not the first time when Gandhi Nehru family and Congress did not allow Hindus to go to their congressional program for the Hindus temple. It is going too much ago also.